Hi, and thank you for buying a Dargon product. This video I will show you how to put together the Dargon chainsaw. This applies to DG13 16-inch chainsaw and DG14 18-inch chainsaw. Please familiarize yourself with the machinery by reading instructions. Attach the spikes plate first. Remove the brake assembly. Make sure brake is off. Please follow the arrow direction on the chain and bar. Put back the brake assembly and tighten nuts by hand. Now you can adjust the chain slack and can fully tighten the nuts. Thanks for watching.